Hi, I'm Kathy Weaver. Do you like tips, strategies, techniques, cool things to learn, and cool things to do? I sure do. As you can see by my screen, I am definitely a proud member of the Happy Neighborhood Project. And I also love to be part of the LinkedIn family from a standpoint of hosting and facilitating posting parties for many groups and organizations, many of whom I have met through the Happy Neighborhood Project. So why would Happy Neighborhood Project have a page that we can follow with almost 7,200 followers on that page and offer us every single day a LinkedIn question of the day that we can answer? Why does that matter? LinkedIn question of the day. First of all, let's find the Happy Neighborhood Project on LinkedIn. Okay? As soon as you open up your LinkedIn page, it will most likely come to your own profile or your feed, whichever one. And so let's just type it in. I have mine saved, of course, but I'm going to just type it in so everyone can see how to do this. We're going to do a search for Happy Neighborhood Project. All right. And we're going to find company because filter. LinkedIn loves filters. Right at the top, of course, is Happy Neighborhood Project or HNP. So now, as soon as you see HNP, the happiest place in the world for business people, absolutely. There's tons of information on their page. But I want to just find the LinkedIn question of the day. So remember how much they love filters on LinkedIn. So you're going to go to posts and you're going to see what the Happy Neighborhood Project team has posted most recently, Monday through Friday, LinkedIn question of the day. Okay. What are two things that you're grateful for? A few hashtags: business, entrepreneur, business networking, small business. Happy Neighborhood Project has been fantastic to get a lot of us together, connected. And by the way, I thought it was 71 something. It's now 7,214 followers on LinkedIn on the Happy Neighborhood Project page. And that's the coolest thing ever. 7,214 followers. My goodness. I actually didn't know I was going to be the first one to pop up here, so that's interesting. But let's think about this. You're going to be obviously using an emoticon. Like is overused, so keep going. Celebrate, support, funny, love, insightful, or curious. An emoticon kind of gets the traffic started. And then let's even do the one I posted. I'm so grateful I get to see so many family members today at the Happy Neighborhood Project Worldwide free networking event. And I'm so grateful I got to be a vendor at the 12th annual Global Happiness Summit to meet the speakers in the VIP room after the event. You'll notice the hashtags, you'll notice the emojis, but more important, 7,200 plus people might have had a chance to see my comment. Let's load the rest of those comments, okay? Think about connecting with people. Sandy, Colonel Adicha, Michael, we have several folks on here in the Happy Neighborhood that have commented. That is the coolest thing ever. Abadel also commented. She's a blast. Steve commented. Debbie commented. Okay. Now, please consider if you haven't connected with some of these friends yet. Luckily, I have, but not actually Helen. So isn't that the coolest thing? I haven't met Helen yet. So now I can click on her name and send connect. So Helen knows Debbie. Helen knows Michael. You see that? Helen knows Abby. This is fantastic. I get a chance to meet Helen now because we are part of the Happy Neighborhood Project family, as many of us call it. And so I just wanted to share the LinkedIn question of the day is not just because necessarily what are you grateful for? It's an opportunity to connect with people we haven't yet. Sometimes it is, what do you do that is brave and courageous? What is your self-care routine? What have you learned most in business from your friends in the Happy Neighborhood Project? There's all kinds of fantastic questions that happen within this actual platform. Social media, absolutely. Social media, absolutely. Here's one from 3 days ago. Question of the day, how do you build mental toughness? How do you build mental toughness? Always there will be hashtags. How will you build mental toughness? Load the comments. Okay, once again, me, okay, whatever. But keep going, okay? Jeff Sheehan, another rock star in this Happy Neighborhood Project. Load the comments. Find out if there's someone you haven't connected with yet. Philomena Moncour, one of our incredible mentors for HNP. Keep going, keep going. Lynn Cook, one of our incredible captains in HNP, actually posted a picture of one of our groups. Lori, Lynn, Sandy, this is connection times a million, my friends. So please, 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 if you haven't yet become part of the followers on Happy Neighborhood Project on LinkedIn, I encourage you to do so. The LinkedIn question of the day is a fantastic opportunity for us to connect with people all across the globe. And how much does it cost to do that? Actually, zero. Actually, zero. And we're already up to 7,200 plus followers. That's an opportunity times, oh my gosh, times a million to connect with people everywhere and to get the word out about your product or service, because just like I hovered over their profiles, they're going to hover over mine. We're making the world smaller, one networking event at a time. So thank you for hopping on. Please consider joining the Happy Neighborhood Project followers on LinkedIn and participate in the LinkedIn question of the day. You'll be glad you did, because we definitely made a new connection or two today. Bye for now.